Home Show Radio.
Paul from League City has a question about a pool that might have a problem.
Well, it's actually his pool pump, and this is the machine. You can see this is well labeled, so I'm sure you can figure out what part is what.
Looks just like mine. Mine is well labeled too.
Well, but yours isn't sucking air like Paul's is. He writes, I'm not sure if I need a plumber or a camera, plumber with a camera or a pool company to come out and do this thing. I don't see any leaks because it's pulling a vacuum. Could it be a valve, or do you think it's something underground? Tom, what do you say?
First off, I have a pool, and mine has cavitated many times.
Is that what that sound is? That's the sound he's hearing, is cavitating?
Yeah, it's cavitating because it's sucking air.
Okay.
It's kind of like negative and positive pressure with your air conditioning system. It's moving air in the wrong direction. Now, do you call a plumber? No. Will a plumber be the one to fix it? Maybe. We'll have to see. You don't call and run a camera down there. It has nothing to do with a belly. I think somewhere around your equipment you have a gasket leak that's pulling in air and not letting it prime itself properly. So you get this air in that basket area that you have to clean once in a while. It could be as simple as just that rubber gasket under that cap that you have to take off, clean the basket out, and put back. But here's the question. If you have a pool that's starting to give you problems with the pump motors, the cleaners, anything like that, there are pool repair people. Now, you don't call a pool builder because they just build them. They don't repair them. You have to call a repair company. Even with Colt, U.S. Pool Builders, he'll build it. But when it comes time for some kind of problem 5 or 10 years down the road, that's not a warranty issue, of course, you'll have to call someone to fix it. He would call someone separate in to fix it if it was a warranty problem. He's done that. I've talked to him about it before. So it's a very special animal. Now, I'm just going to throw this out there. I don't have a name for this person here in the Houston area, but you can go to some of the local pool suppliers like Leslie's, Texan. There's a bunch of them, and they usually have a repair service. Just like, say, you go and buy a Maytag washer from a place, they usually have repair people because it's such an individual animal. Don't start tearing things up. Don't start trying to diagnose it yourself unless you're really sure. Call someone out to give it a look-see. It's that simple.
Yeah, another option is ABC. They do pool service as well. So that's 3 of them out there for you.
Yeah, and there's even more. I mean, you can find them all over.
You got a question like that, Tom can help you out. Just go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer just like this. And we post them on our website every day and our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? Please do, and click the bell. You'll be notified when we post a new video.